Okay, I'm working on my 2002 Mazda Tribute here again. I've got a fog lamp down here in this bumper I'm going to be showing you how to replace. Okay, so you can see that the lens is completely missing off of this one here. It got busted out. So the first thing you're going to have to do, if you I've already taken the little flat plastic flaps under here. You're going to have, there's going to be a couple of 10 millimeters here and one in the middle that you're going to have to take out. These little 10 millimeters that's holding this flap on. And you see about where these are located right here. And you'll have to take those out to get this bumper here loose. Now if you come over to the fender well here, there's going to be some little plastic snaps in here. They'll either be the screw in or the pop-up type. You're going to have to get those and get it loose from this fender well here and take this piece completely out of the way. Okay, so I just went ahead and turned the tire to the right. Like I say, my flaps, I've took them off a long time ago, so it's out of the way. And we got a connector right here. But you can see, you come in here, we've got 4 of these 7 millimeter screws that are around the perimeter there. Now we've got this little wire right here that we need to get loose. We'll just pull down right there and go ahead and disconnect that. And now we're just going to get up here with our little 7 millimeter and just work on taking these out one at a time. Now when you get to the last one, make sure to get a hand on it so it's going to fall. But we're just going to do this all the way around. And it's just as easy as that once you have that flap out of the way. Okay, so we just pulled that out of there. Okay, and you can see the one I removed here, it also had a broken tab on it. So the glass is missing entirely. The bulb wasn't working, of course, because water, everything was getting in there. And here's this one. All the tabs are good. You can see this adjuster, you can use like a hex or an Allen or a Phillips to adjust this. You probably want to do this at night, just depending on how bad it is off. But that is your adjuster. So you definitely, if you're going to put your plastic flaps back on, wait until you get it adjusted before you put those back on. So we're just getting ready to feed it back up in here now, and this is going to go down just like that. And I'm going to go ahead and get a screw started, and it just sets right back into that hole, and just line up your bolt holes there. Okay, and you can see I got the one started right there. Okay, and there we have all of them started by hand. And we're just getting ready to go in here. We're just going to snug them down by hand. They don't have to be terribly tight. This is only plastic, so you can strip these out or break your plastic. So just don't get them too tight. We're talking just inch pounds here. You'll snug them up, and that's good enough. Okay, and then lastly, we're going to go ahead and push this connector right back up like this. Just give it a snap, and that's all there is to it. Okay, and now you can see we got us a nice new light in there. It looks nice. Got the glass on it. Like I said, when it's dark, we'll adjust it and make sure that we got the angle right. But that's going to conclude this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you please give it a like, and as always, I invite you to subscribe, and thank you for watching.